Hi friends, today I'm gonna talk with someone what's new. I didn't talk with him. This is the first time talking with him. So let's go and start. Hi!
Hello, how are you today?
Oh, I'm good. How about you?
I am doing great. Thanks for asking. Is there anything I can help you with today?
Today, well, I like to do something like games or anything.
Okay, I understand that you want to play a game or do something fun. Would you prefer a word game or something else?
Let's play word game.
Alright, let's play a word game. I will give you a category, and then you can tell me words that fit into that category. Sounds good?
Um, well, this is the first time talking with you, so I kind of don't understand.
That's
What are you saying?
completely okay. Let me explain it a little bit more. I will say something like colors, then you would say words like red. I was saying I would give you a category. Would you like to try around and then you would have to say words that fit into that category. Like if I say fruits, you could say apple, banana, or orange. Is it clear now?
Yep, it's clear now. Okay, let's start.
Great, let's begin. The first category is animals. Can you name some animals?
Elephant, tiger, lion, and also I'm saying what?
Those
Rabbit.
are all great answers. Rabbit is a great answer. Would you like to continue playing or would you like to try another game?
I think I like to play this game and let's play with color.
Okay, let's play with colors this time. Can you name some colors?
Okay. Red, orange, yellow, pink, and also blue.
Those are great color choices. Would you like to keep playing this game or move on to something else?
Okay, it's your turn. I'm gonna say something like say animal's name or say anything, okay?
Okay, it is my turn. I will choose the category of things you find in a classroom. I'll start with desk. What other things can be found in a classroom?
They can be found like a book or a scale, or you can also find a board.
Those are great answers. Would you like to continue playing or try a different game?
I think I'll try a different kind of game.
Okay, I understand that you want to try a different kind of game. Would you like a memory game or maybe a guessing game?
Let's play a memory game. I like memories.
Okay, let's play a memory game. I will describe a set of objects. Then you will repeat what you remember. Let's try 3 objects first. A red ball, a blue book, and a green pencil. Do you remember the objects?
Yes, a red ball, a blue pencil. Nope, I didn't remember right.
Well, no worries, that is why it is a memory game. Let's try again. This time, we will try a yellow banana, a pink flower, and an orange. What do you
I got
remember?
it now. A yellow banana, a pink flower, and a. Okay, I'm not good at memories. Okay, so let's play another.
That is... Okay, let's play another game. Would you like a guessing game or would you prefer a different game type altogether?
I think I like to go with a different kind of game.
Okay, let's try a different kind of game. How about a riddle? I'll give you a riddle and you can try to guess the answer.
Ooh,
Are you ready?
That's fun.
Okay, here's the riddle. I have cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and water but no fish. What am I?
You are a forest?
Not quite. I will give you a hint. Think of something that has many places on it but is not an actual place. Do you have a new guess?
I think it's kind of like anything in the air and there's like nothing like houses, buildings, or anything.
That is a great thought process, but the answer is actually a map. It has cities, forests, and water, but is not a real place itself. Would you like to try another riddle?
It's my turn. I'm gonna say something and you will gonna think what is that.
Okay, I'm ready. I will do my best to guess what you are describing. Let me know when you are ready.
Okay, I'm ready now. I give you fruit,
Okay.
I give you wood, and I also help you when you're tired. What am I?
That is an interesting description. Based on the clues, it sounds like you are describing a tree. Is that correct?
Yup, it's correct. You're very good.
That was fun. I am glad I could guess correctly. Would you like to try another game? Or would you like me to try to guess something again?
I think you will say something like a riddle. I will say that. What is it?
Okay, I will give you a riddle then. Here is my riddle. I have keys, but no locks. I have a space, but no room. You can enter, but can't go outside. What am I?
Oh, that's like jail.
That is a very creative answer, but that is not quite right. Would you like a hint? Or would you like to try a new guess?
I like to go with the new guess. Please make it easier.
Okay, here's a hint. Think about something that you use every day to type. What do you think the answer is now?
Mm, okay. Now, can you please tell me what is it?
The answer to my riddle is a keyboard. It has keys but no locks, a space but no room, and you can enter letters but can't go outside of it. Do you want to try another riddle?
No, thank you. I like to play a new game.
Okay, I understand. Let's move on to a new game. Would you like a counting game or perhaps a storytelling game?
Let's do it like what? Oh, let's go with the. Okay, what have you said again? I didn't remember. I'm not pretty good at remembering.
I said, would you like a counting game?
Let's go with the counting game.
That is completely fine. Okay, let's do a counting game. I will start counting and you can continue. I will start with 1. What number comes next?
2.
That is correct. 2 comes after 1. What number comes after 2?
3.
Perfect. Now it's my turn. The next number after 3 is 4. What comes after 4?
5. What comes after 5?
6 comes after 5. Now it's your turn. What comes after 6?
7.
Wonderful. You're doing great. Let's continue. What comes after 7?
I think 8. Oh
What?
no, we got only 1 minute.
Yes, 8 is correct. I understand. We have only 1 minute left. Would you like to continue our counting game or would you like to try one more quick activity?
Sorry, I have to leave now. There's only 1 minute.